Namaskar, I am Anand and you are in the live class of Join for Education. In this class, I will solve question number 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 of exercise 5.2. All questions of this exercise are from Arithmetic progression. Let's see the solution of question number 16. So in this question, I am going to read the question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. After there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. Let's see the solution of this question. So from question it is clear that so here the third term is 16. It means that a plus 2d equal to 16, and suppose this is the equation number 1 and a is the first term and d is the common difference. According to the second condition of this question, seventh term exceed the fifth term by 12. So seventh term, it means that a7 and it is exceed by 12 in fifth term. So here will be a5 plus 12. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. When a5 move in the left hand side, then we get this step a7 minus a5 equal to 12. So the value of a7 is a plus 6d and minus the value of a5 is a plus 4d, so equal to 12. So here will be what a plus 6d equal to minus a minus 4d equal to 12. We cancelled out a, then we get 60 minus 4d equal to 2d equal to 12. Therefore here will be d equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. So after there is no problem to understand up to this step, we can succeed to find out the value of d. So we put the value of d in equation number 1. Then now we write down here now putting the value of d in equation number 1. So we recall the equation number 1, which is a plus 2d equal to, this is the 16, or here a equal to, we write down here a plus 2 into d equal to 6, then we get here 16. 2 into 6 equal to 12. When 12 move in the right hand side, then in the next stage we get here a equal to 16 minus 12 equal to 4. So in this question ask us determine the AP. So here required AP will be required AP equal to, here will be 4 and we add common difference. 4 plus 6 equal to 10. 10 plus 6 equal to 16. 16 plus 6 equal to 22. 22 plus 6 equal to 28, and we write down dot 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 dot. So after there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. So note down the solution of this question. Note down the solution. If you have any problem to understand the solution of this question, chat box is available to all of you. Write into the chat box for any doubt related to this question. I will solve your doubt or try to my level best to clear your doubt. So note down the solution of this question. So let's see the question number 17. In question number 17 is find the 20th term from the last term of this one. So from the last term, let's see the solution of this question. So we write down here from question, it is clear that in this question ask us 20th term from the last term. So the first term here will be 253. A equal to 253, and we move in the left hand side. So the common difference here will be minus 5. D equal to minus 8 minus 3 equal to minus 5. So we have the value of A, we have the value of D, then we have no problem to find out the value of A 20 equal to what. So we write down here, we recall the formula, we know that AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So instead of N we have 20, so we write down here A20 equal to A, it means that 253 plus N, it means that 20 minus 1 into the value of D is here minus 5. So here will be what, A 20 equal to 253 and here will be plus 19 into minus 5. So here will be 253 minus 95. Now we subtract this one, then we get here 13 minus 5 equal to 8 and here 14 minus 9 equal to 5 and here will be 1. So 158 will be the answer of this question. So hope that there is no problem to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. Note down the solution of this question. If you have any problem to understand the solution of this question, or if you have any doubt, write into the chat box or live chat box. I will try my level best to clear your doubt. So let's see the question number 18. This is the question number 18. I am going to read the question number 18. The sum of the fourth and eighth term of NAP is 24, and the sum of the sixth term and 10th term is 44. Find first three term of the AP. So let's see the solution of this question. Of that there is no problem to understand the question. So from question it is clear that so sum of fourth term, it means that a4 plus a8 equal to 24. So the value of a4 equal to a plus 3d and value of a8 equal to a plus 7d equal to 24. Or here will be a plus a equal to 2a plus 10d equal to 24. Therefore here a plus 5d, we take 2 as the common and these two move in the right hand side, then here will be 24 by 2 equal to 12. Suppose this is the equation number 1. Similarly, from the second condition, a6, it means that 6th term plus a10, it means that 10th term equal to what, and this is the 44. So a6 equal to a plus 5d and a10 equal to a plus 9d equal to 44. Therefore here will be what, 2a plus 14d equal to 44. So we take 2 as the common, then here we get a plus 7d equal to 24. 44 by 2 equal to 22. Suppose this is the equation number 2. Now we subtract equation number 1 from equation number 2. So we write down here. Now subtract equation number 1 by 2 or from 2, then we get here a plus 7d minus a minus 5d equal to, here will be 22 minus 12. So we cancelled out a plus a minus 7d minus 5d equal to 2d equal to 22 minus 12, here will be 10. Therefore here d equal to what, 10 by 2 equal to 5. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. Now putting the value of d, any one of these two equations. So we write down here. Now putting the value of d in equation number 1. So we recall the equation number 1, which is a plus 5d equal to, we write down here 12, or here will be a plus 5 into 5, the value of d is 5 and equal to 12. Therefore here will be a equal to 12 minus 25 equal to, here will be minus 13. After there is no problem to understand up to this step. In this question asked us find first 3 term of the AP. So we write down here required first 3 terms are minus 13. Now we add a common difference, minus 13 plus 5 equal to minus 8. Minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 3. So this one will be the answer of this question. So note down the solution of question number 18, and half that there is no problem to understand the explanation as well as the solution of this question. If you have any problem or any doubt to understand the solution, then write into the chat box which is open to all of you. I will try my level best to clear your doubts. Let's see the next question, or question number 19. So I am going to read question number 19. Subba Rao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? So let's see the solution of this question. Hope that there is no problem to understand the question. This is a story based question, and from the question it is clear that from question it is clear that here an equal to rupees 7,000. So we write down here simply an equal to 7,000 and a equal to 5,000. So we write down here a equal to 5,000, and the common difference here will be t equal to rupees 200. So we write down here simply 200. Now we recall the formula. We write down here, we know that so an equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So we write down here an equal to 7,000 and the value of a is 5,000 plus we write down here n minus 1 and the value of d is 200. So we write down here 7,000 minus 5,000 equal to n minus 1 into 200. So the subtraction of this one will be 2,000 equal to n minus 1 into 200. So here next step will be n minus 1 equal to 2,000 by 200. So we cancelled out here. So we write down here 10 equal to 10. Therefore here will be n equal to 10 plus 1 equal to 11. So in which year? It means that in 11th year. So from working it is clear that, or from the solution it is clear that in the 11th year Subba Rao is income equal to 7,000. Therefore here required answer will be 11. hope that there is no problem to understand the solution of this question. If you have any problem, write into the chat box. I will try my level clear. I will try my level best to clear your doubt. So this is the last question of this exercise or exercise 5.2. I am going to read this question. Ram Kali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly saving by ₹1.75 if in the 10th week her weekly saving becomes ₹20.75. Find and. So let's see the solution of this question. This is very easy question. From question it is clear that so here A equal to 5 and D equal to 1.75 and AN equal to 20.75. So we recall the formula. In this question asks us what is the value of N. So N equal to what? So we write down here, we know that. So we recall the formula, AN equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So here will be what? AN equal to 20.75. The value of A is 5 plus N minus 1 into D equal to 1.75. So this 5 move in the left hand side, then we get here 20.75 minus 5 equal to N minus 1 into 1.75. After the subtraction we get here 15.75 and this one move in the left hand side, therefore we write down here 1.75. In the right hand side we have N minus 1. So when this one is divided by 1.75, then we get here, so divide So hope that all of you have completed this simple division. So this one will be, when divided by this one, then we get here what? 9. So in the right hand side, N minus 1. Therefore here N equal to 9 plus 1 equal to what? 10. So the unit of N here will be week. So here will be N equal to 10 weeks. So this one will be the answer of this question. So note down the solution of this question and hope that there is no problem to understand the solution as well as the explanation of the solution of this question. Now I am going to recap all of these question and solution. तो नमस्कार, मैं हूं आनंद और आप जॉइन फॉर एजुकेशन के लाइव क्लास में हैं। अभी मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 16, 17, 18, 19 एंड 20 को सॉल्व कर चुका हूं। नाउ रिकैप के दौरान मैं during the recap I use both Hindi and English so that students who have medium of instruction is Hindi have no problem to understand the solution of this question. तो ऐसे विद्यार्थी जिनका मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन हिंदी है उनको सॉल्यूशन को समझने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। तो रिकैप में ये पहला क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन देख लीजिए। इस क्वेश्चन में एपी को डिटरमाइन करने के लिए बोला गया है, जिसका थर्ड टर्म 16 है और सेवेंथ टर्म जो है फिफ्थ टर्म से 12 ज़्यादा है। सॉल्यूशन आप यहाँ अपने स्क्रीन में देख रहे होंगे। अभी जब इंग्लिश प्योर इंग्लिश में जब इसको सॉल्व कर रहे थे तो इसको स्टेप वाइज यहाँ पर सॉल्व कर रहे थे। लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 को देख लीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 में क्या कहता है कि मतलब किसी ये जो एपी दिया हुआ है, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिया हुआ है, उसका लास्ट से 20 टर्म पूछा जा रहा है। तो इसका मतलब ये एपी को प्रोग्रेशन को रिवर्स कर देंगे तो फर्स्ट टर्म 253 हो जाएगा। ये जो गिवन एपी है उसका कॉमन डिफरेंस 8 - 3 5 जा रहा है, तो रिवर्स कर देंगे तो -5 हो जाएगा। यहाँ पर 820 पूछा जा रहा है। इट मीन्स दैट 820 का वैल्यू यहाँ पर देख लीजिए क्या होगा। रिकॉल कर दिए an = a + n - 1 × d और यहाँ पर हम लोग पुटअप कर दिए और पुटअप करने के बाद हमारा कैलकुलेशन आ गया और आंसर आ गया 158। सो होप दैट देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। सिमिलरली इसी तरह से क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 को सॉल्व कर दिया गया है। फोर्थ टर्म और एट्थ टर्म का एडिशन दिया हुआ है, सिक्स्थ एंड 10th टर्म का भी एडिशन दिया हुआ है। यहाँ पर पहला फर्स्ट 3 टर्म पूछा जा रहा है। 19 में यहाँ पर एक स्टोरी प्रॉब्लम है जो आपका अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन पर ही बेस्ड अपॉन है। यहाँ से फाइंड आउट कर लिए ए का वैल्यू, डी का वैल्यू और an का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है। यहाँ पर n का वैल्यू पूछा जा रहा था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 भी एक स्टोरी प्रॉब्लम है। यहाँ पर a का वैल्यू, आपका an का वैल्यू और d का वैल्यू गिवन था। यहाँ पर भी हमको पूछा जा रहा था n का वैल्यू, 10 का वैल्यू 10 वीक्स आ गया। तो आफ्टर देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम टू अंडरस्टैंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन के सॉल्यूशन को समझने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुआ होगा। अगर ये सॉल्यूशन आपको अच्छा लगता है, उपयोगी लगता है, तो आप इसको ऐसा कीजिए, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और बेल आइकन को क्लिक कर लीजिए ताकि मैं जब लाइव में आऊँ तो आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। तो होप दैट देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम टू अंडरस्टैंड द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। एक्सरसाइज 5.2 में टोटल 20 क्वेश्चन ही थे और आउट ऑफ दिस 20 क्वेश्चन सारा का सारा क्वेश्चन मैंने सॉल्व कर दिया है। आप नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं दूसरे एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करूंगा। टिल देन, थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू। थैंक यू वेरी मच।